What's going on YouTube? Garbriel say aka The Truth, representing Fearless Academy. Alright, today's arm day, big session coming up. It's been a bit of a hectic weekend and tomorrow the fun continues. I'm actually going to be doing a full day of eating tomorrow. I'm heading up to Bristol with a few of my boys. A couple of them have actually come to the gym to train me today and we're going to be watching the Super Bowl. Everyone knows I'm an American football fan, sorry. So yeah, that'll be good. That'll be good. Seahawks versus the Patriots. But that aside, that's tomorrow. Right now we have to take care of business in the gym. They've just arrived, so it's arm assault all day, every day, full machine mode. Kirk, you got some serious beard games going on there.
Dude, this is after I trimmed it, man. Honestly, you would not believe my beard would be here, but I pumped out. I dared Dad to grow it, and then he didn't. And then I trimmed it, and now I regret it. But I was going homeless. Like I did a homeless room one day, and I was into tracksuits, a sweaty vest, like unmatching socks, my leg up, injured, broken. I was like, I look like a tramp, but I just have a room. The worst day of my life, I wanted to kill myself.
Alright, so to explain that, he had a knee injury, which kept him bedridden for a little bit. Slowly getting back into it. Knee injury, so he had to have surgery. So, recovering. Hence the beard, maybe. But you know it's trending now. But what do you guys think of the thicker beard? I might go for the real thick one next time, but you know, we'll see. But anyway, get warmed up, and let's hit the arms till we can't feel nothing no more. Get them gains. Sorry, but look at his t-shirt.
Make sure my shirt's attached.
So his vest. Seriously.
Oh, lightweight.
You didn't know what I was saying, did you? You couldn't hear what I was saying. Taking a piss out of your vest.
Love my vest.
Sun's out, guns.
It's ironic.
There's no sun.
He always looks too in control for my life. Those guys, he's too in control with no emotion. I want to see rage, there's no rage.
Yeah.
I punch him in the face and he look at me like...
Let's get some rage, Az. Get some rage.
I do quiet, solemn, calculated. I'm so angry.
Rage. Let's see the rage. Rage. It's coming through a little bit. Rage. 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 I haven't trained arms, like just biceps and triceps in a session for ages. Normally it's like 2 sets at the end of each workout. I like it. Are you happy with his rage?
Honestly, I felt the rage there.
I felt the
There
rage
was a
too.
grimace and almost a sound.
Rage! Say it. Rage!
Rage.
Rage!
Let's do it.
Rage!
Right, there's 65 kilos on this bar. That's including the bar though.
Rage!
Oh, there's not. Now there is. One more. Drop the weight, get them 4 more
Drops
reps.
it.
Yeah.
Go on.
That's how you finish, man.
The animal here. Curl that bar. Weird animal creature, curl that bar.
Up. Push, push, push. Let's get it. Up. Lose hope. Let's go.
Rage. Oh, good reps, good reps. All the way up. Up. Rage. Up. Easy.
Breathe.
Come on, let's go. Squeeze, squeeze. Come on, keep going, let's go. Up, you got it. Squeeze, squeeze. That, ladies and gentlemen, is rage. Still light. Technically on 2 sets.
Lightweight. Thing is, you're on that strip now for the competition, so you should probably be toned in anyway.
No, there's no such thing as toning reps. Ever.
See, common misconception, right?
Heavy to the end. Heavy to the end.
Yeah.
Always lift.
Ain't no minute and a half break between no 4 to 6 reps. Hell no. What am I imagining music? That's my question to gym experts, including this guy. Have you ever put your headphones on, knowing you have no music and someone wants to talk to you, and they're like waiting to talk to you, and you're just bopping along to a song that doesn't exist because you didn't have time to reach and press play? How many of you have done that?
Yep, I have. Alright, so that machine was way too light. So we're moving to the lat pull down we're going to use out for the tricep push downs. Because I was hitting about 15, 16 reps before I even got tired. So this one goes a little bit heavier, a lot heavier. Should be better. Like my friend Az kindly pointed out, those damn pulleys over there, it assists the weight too much. That's why it felt lighter, because now I used 60 on that one, I was using 90 on the other one, and the one on that pull down feels a lot heavier.
He's tight. What we got there? 65?
Yeah,
65 kilos, and you weigh what?
93.
So we got 153 kilos.
Yeah, yes sir.
Congratulations, you're now obese. Let's go.
Three more exercises to go. Got incline dumbbell curls, supersetted with reverse push down, concentration curls, and cable kickbacks. Bloody hell.
We're now on exercise 812. I'm doing my part too slow.
Alright, so we just finished our superset. Now we're going to do concentration curls. Now Scott, the sneaky little bastard, likes to put really slow negatives towards the end of your workout. So now we're doing bicep curls, concentration curls with a 4-second negative. I didn't see the 4-second negative before, so I went and picked up the 22s and 25s and I was like, cool. Nah. These, I'm not even sure if that's going to happen. Let's go.
Four seconds. Slower. Come on, let's go.
Never be afraid to drop the weight slightly to finish the set. It just means that you've got another level of progression for the next week. If every time you hit the set you can hit the weight that you need to, you're not pushing yourself. Push yourself beyond the boundaries and force yourself to grow in every aspect. Two sets of 20 to finish. Oh, sorry, 3 sets of 20 to finish the workout. Alright, so that is the end of the workout.